Bonafide Hustler here, and yes, I am on a walk midday. I'm trying to do a lot more of these as I find myself building more content, engineering reels, trying to hunt for deals on Facebook Marketplace. It's pretty easy to do this kind of stuff and get lost in the time, right? My Oura ring will tell me like it's time to get up, I just like working. I like editing. I like finding deals. I like just building content in general. So got to do these walks every now and then. We're going to be doing a kind of an interesting kind of format here, and that is talk about 2 reselling topics and 1 health topic. So I'm thinking, not every single time I do one of these walks, but some of them. It'll always be a 2-in-1 kind of thing, right? So let's get to the first topic, which is, I've been building a lot of reels in the past 30 days, and there are a lot of, sus and hateful kind of comments. People really self-doubting resellers in general. I don't know, there's just a lot of, it seems like, hate towards resellers. Now, I'll put my spin on this, and that is, I don't know if I really enjoy the resellers that camp out and drain all the Swatch collections and all the new drops of whatever, the ones that, get into the bots and get all the new releases of shoes or different things, and then put on StockX. Those, I can understand that. But let's say the resellers that are just buying and reselling single goods, used goods, right? Not even new goods, just used goods. I don't understand what the hate is for. It's just, I don't know, it's just weird. It's like there's some people out there that are commenting. It's not a whole lot, right? But it's just some. And they're saying stuff like, scum of society, get a real job. Not even knowing my background. Holy crap. I've had many real jobs. I have, high amounts of education. I like doing what I do because it's just fun. It's a hobby that pays itself. I love it. So, and then I didn't really know that I was going to start building content on top of the hobby. But I did that, became something, pays something. Along that journey also, I built alliances with people. I built Green Room, for example. And then that fell apart in 2020. But I don't understand what the hate of the reseller stuff is. It's it can lead to so much great stuff, especially if you, make friends out of it. And then you're saving stuff from landfills. I don't know. But anyway, just loosely talking, what do you think of some of this out there? I don't know if I quite understand it, but anyway, so second topic, and that is, what are sourcing avenues that are working for you right now? Let me know down below. For me, I love garage sales to the core. I think they're the greatest. After that, thrift stores are good, but I still think for Facebook Marketplace, I would rank it above that, sourcing from Facebook Marketplace over thrift stores, for sure. And then pawn shops are, in my life, I just resurgence of love for pawn shops. So in the past 2 months, I've been going to those. So yeah, that was the second topic. It's where are you guys focusing your sourcing efforts from? Let me know. Now, the health topic. I'm on my way to a close neighborhood park. It's over there. I'm going to do some abs, some random stuff, nothing crazy. I really want to cross 10K steps a day. It's kind of like a baseline, 9K, 10K. And I think it's good for 10K on the days that I don't do anything else. It would be a 10K day. But if I'm doing other things like mountain biking, cycling, then sometimes those days are 7K. And that's okay. So I'm also doing other stuff. What am I wearing? A Wolf Tactical weighted vest. And it can be weighted from, I think, 5 to 40 pounds. There are little things in here, right? Little iron, not plates, but you know what I'm talking about. Iron weights in here, and I can dial it in. Right now it's running at 22.5. And I like the weighted vest. There's a lot of science behind it, showing that weight that's added to the human body makes the body burn fat faster than if the weight was already on the body and you do the same amount of activity, right? So if we're dealing with walking, I would burn more fat if I put weight that wasn't on my body. It's kind of hard to explain, but that's where the science is right now. Weighted vest definitely build higher amounts of bone density, and they're convenient. The reason why I like a Wolf Tactical one is that it stops like right there, see? So I can still do crunches, I can still do all kinds of stuff, knee raises, all that stuff, and still have this thing on. There are 3 different styles of weight vest out there: pouch style, plate style, and then this style, which looks like this. It's kind of one of my favorite styles is this one, or the plate style. But yeah, we just got to the little thing right here, and I'm gonna do a couple little things, body weight things with the weight vest on. I'm gonna knock that out and then go walk home. Yeah, if you're thinking about involving something in your daily life that's not terribly complicated and you want to burn more calories just at a baseline, weighted vest. Always start there. Super important. Even if you're just walking, like weighted vest. Let's say you're going around the house, upstairs, downstairs, doing laundry, all kinds of little micro errands around your house, weighted vest. Not very much, just a little bit. Yeah, I go up as high as 40 pounds attached for certain workouts, but I really like to cruise around 20 to 22 for like everyday stuff. Like I barely feel it. It feels good. Now I definitely feel it with body weight stuff like pull-ups, push-ups, chin-ups. Like, yeah, that's where you really feel it, but it's for training. So yeah, this is a Wolf Tactical. I'm not affiliated with this company, but I like it a lot. It's a good one. The other one I like a lot is called a Hanzo. Yeah, those are the 2 that are really good. There are other ones out there, but Wolf Tactical is super good. So I might buy another one, but not affiliated with them, just giving props where props are deserved. I'm gonna do some things here, and then let me know if you want more of these little walkie-talkie kind of things. Walkie-talkie, walking and talking kind of stuff. 2 reselling topics, 1 health topic. If you like them, put a comment. You have to put a comment. Back at the house, and yeah, those are the 3 topics. Well, number 1 is, yeah, experiencing a little bit of reseller hate. I know, like, I think these people aren't resellers that are, like, saying these things. I'm pretty sure they're not. They can't be. There's no way. All right, so number 2 was sourcing avenues that you're enjoying as of right now. For me, obviously, I talked about those. As of this very moment, I love garage sales, and, again, I reiterate, I'm getting into pawn shops a little bit more. I just like them. They're just fun. And then the third thing is the weighted vest. If you don't have one, get one. They're pretty awesome. They're all over Amazon. If you want a video about like the best weighted vest to get and like why and all that, let me know. And I can put that together on the next time we go on a walk. But yeah, if I was a little scatterbrained before, it's just because I started the walk. I was a little nervous, and it's just different. This is different content. This is not like some reselling vlog, and this is not some garage sale day, which is tomorrow actually. So I hope you enjoyed it, and put the comments down below. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.